Okay, here's my UH-1 600 size fuselage with all of the mechanics installed. I'm working with that Spectrum DX7S. You can see it's on. I also have my laptop on. I have 2 batteries that have been series connected. Okay, here's where my BEC is getting its power from. The red light on my BEC is on. Okay, the BEC is also attached to the NAZA on the left hand side into the X1 port. It's not focusing there. There it goes. So this wire right here is going into the X1 port. Backing that up, following the power wires going into my ESC, and these would go to my motor. Okay, which is right up there, not connected right now. Going back to the ESC, okay, that is hooked into the throttle port right there. Okay. Then I have S1, S2, and S3 connected to my swash plate servos. Those are correct. All right. On the left-hand side of the NAZA, all of these cables are appropriately connected to my Spectrum AR8000, according to the NAZA diagram. Okay. You could see that my receiver is bound. There's the light there. It's bound to my transmitter. And here's a little indicator, signal indicator. Okay. Going back to my NAZA. Okay. This gray and black cable, okay, is the USB cable going to my computer. You could see that there is a green light there on the remote LED. If I pull the USB out, it goes to a flashing yellow. Put it back in, there you go. So my problem here, and this is why I'm making the video, is I cannot get the software setup guide to recognize my transmitter. I've walked through all of this process, read all of these directions, went to start, okay, selected my transmitter as a traditional. I am hooked up appropriately to the my Spectrum or the JR receiver. Here's the diagram I used. Okay. Once I get to this point, I have created the new model in my transmitter. I've selected the model type as a helicopter. I've set my CCPM to normal. I chose a 3-position switch channel for the mode selection, and anything I try and do on my transmitter, okay, which is now right here, is not changing anything on here. So this little bar across the top should, I guess, go blue or red or whatever once I start switching these switches. And it's not doing anything. My transmitter is not providing any manipulation to this software setup guide.